on a day trip to Southend, and I just wanted to quickly get in how uncomfortable Havaianas are. I've been walking 300 yards and I'm already debating going and buying some sliders or something else because it's just so uncomfortable. And it took all this time to get here. Now it's not even that hot compared to what it was earlier in the week. But I'm in a vest. I'm gonna get a tan of some sort. We hope. Anything is better than pasty white. You would not catch me on one of them. I don't like rides. Sod these things. I like my feet on the ground where I can be safe. I'm not a rides person at all. Busy, man. So just to tell you, this is all going to be recorded on my phone because I didn't know that I was coming to the beach. So I haven't got my camera with me, so it's all going to be recorded on the mobile. So sorry if the quality is slightly out. And sorry if you guys can't hear me. So we're on a beach with lots of kids playing, running around, and got some dude next to me spitting on the floor. Oh, lovely. Lovely British holiday resorting. Also, who does that? Who takes them? Absolutely crazy. Now we are going to go and do a good summer thing, get an ice cream. Fitting it into my macros, so it is all good. But seriously, who steals a boy? Come on. Yeah. Now that would have been funny. That has gone off, that would have been funny. She's got all wet. Come on his bag. Gotta get an ice cream. Getting summer games. Where are ya? So this is the day coming to a close. I am just getting dinner ready. I've got a bit of a chicken and pepper stir fry sort of thing going on with some chicken sausages. I got a new bottle from Primark. I am tired, people. And we've got a family barbecue tomorrow, so loads more good food. Lucky we are gaining.